Hello there! So, today's video is a little random. I promised my sister that I'm going to unbox on camera a present she sent me, and I don't know what it is. The only thing I know is that it's a palette. So here we are! I got my scissors, I got my package with literally nothing on it. So I have no idea what we're dealing with. So I'm just going to dive right in, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna put it down so I don't hurt myself. Inflatable shit, that's great. This is what we're looking at so far. It's a Morphe box. Dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, it's the Avani Gregg X Morphe palette. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay, let's get in. It's so pretty. I have no words. I have no words. Look at how fucking beautiful this is. Oh my god, it's like, I literally can't. And those are liners, okay? The last two rows are liners. I remember sending her the palette and I was like, dude, there's like 10 liners that are water activated. That's fucking genius. And I remember she responded something like, yeah, it's cool. And now I have it. Okay, so thank you, sis, for birthday gift. The camera has no fucking clue what it's looking at. There's literally everything in there. Like, bruh, that's so gorgeous. Okay, but you know what? Like, now it's gonna suck because I'll have to be really creative. Oh yeah, I just wanted this palette so much because it looked incredible, okay? I love the liners, I love the colors. This is just absolutely stunning. I can't stop staring at it. I'm incredibly grateful for this. Thank you so much, bitch. Like, oh my god, I'm just so happy. So now we're gonna switch to my other setup and we're gonna do something fucking epic to please my super creative sister. So let's do that. Hello there. Look at her. Oh my god, I'm like beyond excited about this. Look at that. Oh my god. Because it looks amazing, but at the same time, I'm like super scared because I'm gonna do something shitty and then I'm gonna be mad at myself. So I'm gonna do my base, and I'll meet you here to play with this. So I'm gonna pick up a bra and let's go. Okay, maybe making this up as I go isn't the best strategy. It looks a little patchy right now, but you know, trust the process. Okay, I don't mind that at all. I need that silver on my lid though. Wow. There's just a little bit left on my finger. Oh, look at how pretty that is though. Oh my gosh. I'm super impressed. Let me try my BH Cosmetics liner and the black one maybe. Okay, that's better. That's definitely better. So we got something like a wing. A part of me wants to ruin it with something white on the bottom. Whoa, I like that. Okay, this is kind of like a Starry Night thing. And then I think I want to smoke out the bottom just a tiny bit. First look is done, so you get a bit of that. We got like a hang of it. And on the other eye, I want to do something colorful and something fun. We're gonna try. And I'm just drawn to the oranges, like so much. This is incredible color. Wow. Yeah, let me cut the crease. Where the fuck is my other liner brush? Where'd you go? I missed you so. Honestly, I could just go on and on and on. I'm gonna finish off the rest of the face and I'll see you in a minute. So this is the finished look. Honestly, I am like kind of surprised. So I would say that all the shades I've tried perform beautifully. This orange shade is a little bit like more dusty and like more muted than, you know, the yellow and this orange. Overall, I'm very impressed with this palette. It performed beautifully. Like, I still can't stop looking at it. And I would say this is like standard Morphe eyeshadow in the best way. The quality is incredible. They blend really well. They're really nicely pigmented. The black performed amazingly. Even the liners. One thing about the liners though, on the palette, it says wet your brush before you line. And that's just not gonna be enough, okay? I ended up taking a cap of one of my setting sprays and just using this as a little dipper. I don't know how to describe it, but the formula is a little bit thick when it's not wet enough. So I would recommend just either spraying the palette, which is what I did multiple times as well, and it works nice, but you have to be very careful not to get into the eyeshadows, of course. Or you can just have a little dipping cup. They perform beautifully. They dry down completely, and I don't see any cracking. So far, I think they're amazing. and I'm in love. I'm just so happy I did something creative, and this palette is awesome, and thank you, sis, for giving me this. Also, I was super impressed with the silver glitter. Pretty much everything from my finger actually ended up on my eye, and if you like the colors, I would go and grab it. And honestly, to me, it would be worth it, even just for the 10 liners. So overall, I would say this is an amazing palette. Miss Avani Gregg did some amazing job with this. It's also nicely sized. Like, this is something I can imagine traveling with. I would say this palette has all the pros, plus it has those awesome liners. Thank you, sister, for pretty much making me do this review. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I love my intro so much. Lady, how do you not have your goddamn light on?